Hi, we all know that it's generally accepted that ZOS is the most securable and reliable operating system on the planet. But that being said, things can go wrong, and when they do, you're going to need a special tool to help you to manage through the recovery. Hi, I'm Paul from New Era Software, here to talk to you for a bit about SAE, the standalone environment. Now, if you want to understand what the standalone environment is all about, it's all in the name. SAE operates as its own operating system. It doesn't require ZOS. It doesn't require any operating system at all. It runs on bare metal. And it provides a number of different functions, but two are critically important that I want to call your attention to. The first, it'll give you access to an ISPF-like editor, which can help you to find and fix or restore to a point where you can re-IPL with confidence. The second one, you'll find useful at your disaster recovery site, because when you're finished, you'll want to erase all your data, and nothing erases it faster and more efficiently than SAE. Listen, follow along this page, and we will give you access to a demonstration and also to a trial. Thank you for coming. Really look forward to working with you.